Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about planes. So first of all, in this video we'll discuss about definition of a plane and equation of a plane in various forms and one more general equation of a plane. So start with definition of a plane. Simply, plane is a surface. So this is a surface satisfying the condition which is, for example, if you take any 2 points on the surface, so clearly this is the point A and this is the point B. So these are any 2 points on the surface. Then line joining of these 2 points entirely lies on the surface. So that is the condition. For example, if you consider any other 2 points, this is some C and this is some D. Here also line joining of CD. This is also entirely lies on the same surface. Then it represents a plane. So here for example, we can consider any 3-dimensional object. So clearly this is the 3-dimensional object. Here we can consider any 2 points. For example, this is the one point and this is the other point. See here line joining of these 2 points. See here, this is the line joining of 2 points. This line joining of 2 points which is not entirely lies on the same surface. See here, this point lies on this surface and this is another surface. So clearly this line joining of 2 points not lie on the same surface. So clearly which is not a plane. So clearly plane is a 2-dimensional object. So which is the 2-dimensional object? Okay. Simply, which means it is having length and breadth but not thickness. Simply, plane means it is having length, breadth but not thickness. Here, but not particular length, particular breadth, which means we can move endlessly in all the directions. Okay. So this is the another definition of the plane. Next, second one, equation of a plane in various forms. So in that first condition, the equation of the plane passing through given point and perpendicular to the given line. So for this we have to find the equation of the plane. So already we discussed plane is a surface. So here we can consider any surface. So this is the surface. And which satisfying the condition that let us consider any 2 points on the plane. This is the point A and this is P. Now line joining of these 2 points entirely lies on the same surface, then it represents a plane. Okay. Now what is the condition here? The equation of the plane passing through the given point. So let us consider the point P is some x1, y1, z1. Okay. And the point A is some x, y, z. Okay. Here P is x1, y1, z1 and A is x, y, z. Here and one more, which is perpendicular to the given line. See here, if you draw a line perpendicular to the plane, so that line is called as normal line or simply normal to the plane. Now we can consider direction ratios of this normal is some a, b, c. So which is called what? DRs. DRs means direction ratios. And we have to find direction ratios of AP. See here, direction ratios of A, x, y, z and P, x1, y1, z1. We know the direction ratios of 2 points x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. Here drs of AP, which is equals to what? Difference of x coordinates, that is x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. And drs of normal is ABC. So clearly AP line and normal line both are what? Perpendicular. We know that if two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. Here A1 B1 C1 is ABC and A2 B2 C2 is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Now A1 A2, A1 is what? A into A2, A2 is what? X minus x1. B1 considered as B plus B into B2, B2 is what? Y minus y1 plus C1 is what? C, and C2 is what? Z minus z1 equals to 0. So clearly this equation represents a plane equation, and this plane is passing through the given point and perpendicular to the line. Okay, see here the point x1, y1, z1, we can consider this point is some 0, 0, 0. Then what will you get? It becomes a into x minus 0, that is ax, plus b into y minus 0, that is by, plus c into z minus 0, that is cz, plus 0 is equal to 0. If x1, y1, z1 is any other point, then that equation becomes some a into x plus b into y plus c into z plus some constant, which is equals to what? 0. So which means we can write ax plus by plus cz plus this constant can be written as d, which is equals to 0. So clearly this equation represents a general equation of a plane. Then what are the condition? Here a comma b comma c are not all zeros. If a is 0, see here, if a is equals to 0, then what will you get? It becomes by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is represents a plane. If b is equal to 0, then you will get ax plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here if b is 0, if c is 0, then it becomes ax plus by plus d is equals to 0. These are also a equation of the planes. But what is the condition? A, B, C are not all zeros. Means all three are not 0. Either A is 0 or B is 0 or C is 0. Okay, that is the condition of a general equation of a plane.